Hi, welcome. This is Lynn McKenzie. I'm going to be talking today about 8 major chakras in our animal companions. And so before I get into the chakras, I want to tell you just a little bit about them. Chakras were first, discovered or been talked about 4,000 years ago in India. And the word chakra is actually a Sanskrit word which means wheel of life. So we have chakras at the crown, the third eye, major chakras. We've got minor chakras as well all over. But we've got a chakra at the crown, the third eye, the throat, the heart, and on down to the root chakra at the base of our tailbone. And our animal companions have the same major chakras as us, plus 2 more. I'm going to be talking about 8 of them. So I'm going to, 8 of them today. So I'm going to be talking about the same 7 chakras we have, plus the one of the extra ones they have. So like I said, it's like a vortex, an energy portal. It means wheel of light or wheel of life. Oops, sorry, having a little. My puppy's bugging my older dog. Pixie, come. Sorry about that, guys. So basically what I want to say is the chakras receive, assimilate, and express any life force energy that comes to us or our animal companions. Sorry, I've got to just break this up. Carly, go lie down, please. So this chakra, the life force energy comes in and we assimilate it through our chakras. So the same happens for our animal companions. And I'm actually a believer that we cannot assimilate and receive, assimilate, and express this energy. We cannot survive without chakras. This is how we bring in this life force energy. And it has actually been proven, I believe scientifically there was a study where they cut off some of the energy and to a certain chakra, and there was actually atrophy in that organ that was related. So that's important to know. And that life force energy that comes in through our chakras is eventually filtered through the meridians into the endocrine system, and then from there it goes to help out all of the glands within the body for both us and our animal companions. So that's an important thing to know as well. And the degree to which our animal companions' chakras are healthy is it plays a large role in how this life force energy is funneled in. So by working with your animal companions' chakras, you can really help to promote good health and well-being for them. And that, I think that's really, really important. Some people can see chakras, some people can feel them. I've been working with energy and this kind of thing for many, many years, decades, not like probably two and a half decades now. So I can really connect with them on many, many ways. You don't have to see them, you don't have to feel them, but I want to say if you practice, you'll probably be able to do one or the other at least. And they can vary in how they look, their size, all of that sort of thing, but you don't really need to worry too much about them. I kind of liken them sometimes to etheric organs. So I think they're as vital to us as our organs are, and as vital to our animal companions as our organs are. So I'm going to go through the chakras one by one very briefly, just to give you an idea of the chakras. And in animals, they're not placed identically along the spine, kind of the way they are in humans. So there's a slightly different placement for some of them. And we're going to be talking about one extra major chakra that the animals have that humans don't, called the sensing chakra. So I'm going to start at the root. And the root chakra for our animal companions is about grounding. It's about pack or herd dynamics. And it's about survival instinct. And if there was an imbalance so let me just back up for 1 second. So that's what the root chakra is all about. Now, within every chakra, there's the physical level, the emotional level, the mental level, and the spiritual level. So an imbalance in a chakra can be in any of those areas. And so most of the issues I'm going to talk about today are really on the emotional or mental body or mental level. But you could have physical, there's related organs, there's related, like the root chakra is related to blood and bones. But I'm going to talk about more emotional, mental issues. So an imbalance, and I'm going to give you a possible imbalance for each of the chakras that I talk about. So a possible imbalance in the root chakra would be a fearful dog or animal, or real lack of trust. I mean, it could be a cat, it could be a horse, it could be a parrot, whatever, rabbit. So, so that is one possible symptom, so to speak, of an imbalance. When we get to the sacral chakra, it's really about procreation, vitality, and creativity. And a possible imbalance could be low confidence, just as it could be a hormone imbalance or inability to conceive or something of those lines. I've worked with many horse owners who were trying to breed their mares unsuccessfully, and we would work with this chakra to unlock any areas of blockage or imbalance. The solar plexus chakra is about purpose, confidence, and will. And a potential imbalance with this chakra could be a training issue. Okay, the heart chakra is about telepathic communication with humans and other species. It's about divine love and that human-animal bond. Okay, and an imbalance could be stress. It could be a lot of stress, or it could be an inability to bond with another, human or animal, for that matter. The throat chakra is about conscious communication, truth, and creative expression. And an imbalance in that chakra could play out as lack of discernment. The sensing chakra, which is a chakra that animals have, I mentioned earlier, that humans don't have, is on the bridge of the nose, and it's a silver blue color. Most people know the colors of the chakras are red, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, indigo, and violet. So the sensing chakra is like a silver blue, and it's equivalent to here on your animal companion. And that chakra is all about the sensory intake and transmission of sensory information to the brain. So it's how sensory information comes in and how it goes to their brain and how they process it and what it means for them. So an imbalance in this chakra could be overreacting. For example, it could as easily be underreacting. It could be like a reaction that just doesn't make any sense based on the circumstances, so to speak. It's a really important one for animals. It comes up a lot in my work. The third eye chakra is also about telepathic communication with other species and humans especially. It's about soul realization and spirituality. And an imbalance in this chakra could be concentration issues or depression. And finally, the crown chakra is all about oneness with the divine, wisdom, and cosmic consciousness. Just like the root chakra is about grounding, it connects us and our animal companions to the earth's energy. The crown chakra connects us and our animal companions to the cosmic energy above us. And an imbalance in this chakra could be disorientation or separation anxiety. Now, I've just shared a very small amount with you about the animal chakras. There's so much more to it. And I have honestly found that the chakras can almost tell a story. Even if we don't know how to communicate with animals, the chakras can almost tell a story as if we were communicating with the animals. So when we work with them, we can really glean a lot of important information about our animal companions. I do have some chakra trainings. I have an award-winning Healing and Understanding Your Animal Companions Through the Chakras training. It's also a big part of my more in-depth animal energy certification training program. And then I also have a chakra program. It's called the Chakra Clearing Attunement, and Attunement. I can't even remember the name of the program. I've had it for a while. That's a really amazing program for anybody who's working on animal communication, psychic pursuits, or working as a healer, it's a really amazing clearing and attunement program. It's clearing, balancing, and attunement intensive, I believe it's called. So anyways, if you have any further interest in learning more, we've got a number of programs that could serve your needs. So abundant blessings, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please like, give me hearts, share, subscribe, all of the above. Bye-bye now.